Depending on where you live, all your background jobs that are set on a recurring schedule have now executed 1 hour earlier than they normally do. So for the first few days of March, if we had something that gets triggered at 4 a.m., that was in Eastern Standard Time or EST, and the UTC time was 9 a.m. with a 5-hour offset, and so that executed on schedule. But today, March 8th, the clocks move forward, so spring forward and fall back, and while the background job still executed at 9 a.m. UTC, it now executed at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And that could be a real problem depending on the situation. If there was a report that's expected to go out at 11 a.m. every single day, today this report won't go out until about noon. And this could have some real issues depending on the situation. And so in this episode, we're going to have a look at how we handle daylight savings times, specifically in background jobs, and some nuances around it that we have to be aware of. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.